Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to merge PDF files, 3 PDF files in this case, into one. This is a very simple method to combine PDF files and have them all in one file, and then you can be able to read through. So in this case I'm going to share with you 3 methods in which you can do this very simple act. The first one is, let's try to look at what is in the PDF files. So the first one is animation. It's just a page on animation. And we have the second one, hydraulic engineering. It's just 2 paragraphs, right? And we have the last one, which is just about river. It's just a few paragraphs also. So I want to combine these 3 PDF files into one PDF file. So how do I do that? First method is to come to your Google and search merge PDF. So there are a bunch of options which you can see. There is small PDF, there is I love PDF, there is SODAF PDF and Adobe PDF. This one they are basically free that you can use to do your conversion. So you can try any one of them and you can see they can help you to convert, but it's only that at some point maybe there may be 1 or 2 restrictions as regards to the usage or the arrangement of the document. So for this, let's try to use I love PDF, which is an online converter, and I think it's quite fantastic. You will all appreciate and like it. So all you need to do is to select the files over here and click and just navigate to where the file is. I have mine here. So these are the 3 files. You just highlight all of them and select them and click open. So this is going to bring in the 3 files. Once you allow them like this, it's going to merge them in this format, but you're free to rearrange them. Bring this one to the top, or bring this one to the beginning, or bring it to the last part. So you are free to rearrange them accordingly. Once you are okay, you are certain, then you can easily come over here and click on merge PDF, and it will merge the 3 files and bring it up as one. So let's try to see. So it has merged the PDF file and you can just download it. So you can easily open the location in your PC, and then you can navigate there. So this is merged PDF, and you can just open it on any of your PDF reader, and you can see it, page 1, page 2, page 3 merged together. So this is the first method. The second method I want to show you is using the Foxit PDF. Foxit PDF also is another fantastic software that you can use. I will put the link in the description. You can download it free and install on your computer. I have all the cracks and everything. No need to put in any crack, just download and install on your PC. So I'll put the link in the description for you. So to combine the same files in Foxit PDF, all you need to do is to come to convert over here, and you'll come all the way to combine files here. So once you click, you will just come over here to add the files. You can add a file, you can add files, or you can add complete folder, and you can add a web page or thereabout, or add PDF from a scanner or from a clipboard if you have copied it somewhere. Add open files that you have already from files that you have already opened. So in this case we are going to add files, so we can come all the way and then navigate to where our file is. We can just open, we can select all and just click on open to open all of them. At this point also you have the option to move river to the beginning if you want, or if you want to keep it at the middle, you can keep at the middle depending on your choice. And once you're done, you're satisfied, you can combine directly, and this is your combined file in arrangement in accordance with the arrangement you have inside. So from here you are free to save it. So you can come to file and come to save as. You can just navigate to the location. You have the location here, docs, and you can save it and call it all or combined. So this is the combined file. So this is the all file that we have combined. Okay, so this is the second method. Another method that we can do the same is by downloading a very simple software from the internet, and then we can install on our computer and just run it, and then we can use it to combine our files equally. So let's say we come to our browser. You can search for PDF TK, PDF Toolkit or PDF TK, it will still get you the same software. So you can just click on it. You can come all the way down here, you can download. So it's a very small software, just 3.5 megabyte, but part of its function, you can merge and split PDF documents and pages easily using the free version. But if you want to go for the pro version, then you can split, you can merge, you can rotate, you can put watermark, stamp, secure PDF pages and documents. You can put security code pins everywhere, but this one you have to pay. But I think for our case for today, which is just to merge PDFs, the free version is okay. So you can download the free version easily from here by just clicking on this, and it's almost downloaded. So once it finishes the download, you can click on this and show in folder. Once you get to the folder, you can double click to just install. It's just a click through software. You just accept the agreement and click on next, and click on next, next, and it's just installed just like that. So you can launch it after finishing the installation. Just now we've installed, so all you need to do is to add the PDF files. Okay, so you come over here and click on add, you navigate to the location and you select the 3 files that we want to add. Once you select, you click on open, and it's going to bring in those documents over here. So you have the option also to navigate to change the allocation also to this one to bring it to the top. Let's say we have our river to the top, we can copy a particular folder. For example, if you want to put this river file twice, you can just copy the selection and put it in the same folder, and it will combine the same way equally. And we can remove a selection if we duplicate it by mistake or something like that. So these are the pro version. For you to use this, you have to have the pro version, the pro license, the pro subscription. So but for now, for our own case, once you're done, you just click on create PDF over here, and then you can maybe call it combine. Let's call it combine and save. And that's all. Our PDF is created, so we can just navigate to the location and have a look at it. Okay, so we have it here combined. So once we double click, you can see it created. So these are the 3 methods that we can follow to merge our PDFs into one file, into a single file. Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoy this video, kindly remember to hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.